Okay, so first we can start off putting mincemeat in a bowl. You know, paprika, pepper, slap the garlic, slice garlic and add it to the mince. Preheat the oven to about 200, who really cares? We're throwing bacon in it, you could do 250 if you want charcoal. Put the bacon on a thing, then put it in the oven. It's sauce time. Dijon mustard, tomato sauce, barbecue sauce. Put the juice of the lemon directly into your hand. Wash your hand, and then mix it. Slice a quarter of an onion into weird little strip things. Try not to cut yourself, and heat the pot. It's that one. Throw the onions in, put some of your prized, it's about 4.5 grams of butter that you're allowed in this recipe per person. So you gotta add a little bit of that, and mix it. And realize you're an absolute idiot, and get the other oil, and put it in. Keep stirring your onions. Don't want them to burn, they're gonna burn anyway. Crack your egg into the pan and realize that you've made a long egg. Oops. Salt your onions, and it's herb time. Take all this stuff, I honestly don't know. Turn your egg down so you don't accidentally create an oil fire. Okay, stop, just stir. Just stir. Check the oven and realize that your bacon is completely raw. Try and find the thing that is completely in front of you, right there. Yep, you can see it, you got it. Use the grater correctly. Do it correctly, you will hurt yourself. Throw some carrot at your parents' dinner and heat your pan. Bowl time! Put some oil in the pan and throw your meat in. Almost destroy a pot and burn yourself. Okay, put your egg onto a plate. Season your meat thing, it's like 2% meat, trust me. Burn yourself, try and flip bacon, flip the bacon, and butter your bun and just chuck it in the oven. Almost burn yourself again, and it's plating time. Bread, sauce, meat, carrot, almost burn yourself again. Bacon, cheese, onion, egg, lettuce. Food.